Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to a YouTube class. So, in the previous sessions, we were dealing on the topic that is data file handling. So, in the last sessions, I told you about the concepts of file modes. So, in which all modes we can open the files, that all we had seen. So, we know that the files can be opened for input and output purpose. We can open the file using your constructor, and another method we can use to open your file is using your open member function. So when you are opening your file, we just use a file name, only one single argument for both input and output purpose. But when you are opening your file for both input and output purpose in only one method, that is using your fstream class, then that time we pass two arguments. One is your file name and another one is the mode in which you want to open your file. Right? So we had seen all the modes of your files open. Let me just do a little bit revision. Only I'll give you the names of the mode, file mode in which we can open. We'll see the meaning of that file opening method, and we also see it belongs to which stream type. Right? So we had studied already. We'll just do a little bit revision on that. So there are different methods of file modes we have. The mainly are in, out and app mode that I told you. In your exam, when all you get the question, this question of your file modes will come for 3 marks. File modes, this question comes for 3 marks. When you are explaining this file mode concept in your exam, the main thing you have to cover is first you have to cover in, out and app mode. These modes you have to cover, then you have to go for the extra other things which we have. Fine. So which all the methods we have is, the first one we have is iOS APP. So here APP means append. APP means append. When all you want to append at the end of your file, anything extra you want to add it, that time we open a file in this mode, that is append mode. And this mode of the file or the method belongs to your offstream class. It belongs to offstream class. The second one we have is iOS in. When you want to open your file for only reading purpose. That time we use this method only for reading. And this mode belongs to fstream class. And the later comes is iOS out. This method or the mode of the file is used when you want to open your file only for writing purpose. Only for reading purpose is used your in mode of your method of opening your file, and out is used when all you want to open a file for only writing. And this method belongs to offstream class. These are the main 3 file modes we have to study and remember to write in your exam. That is in, out and append. APP app is used to append anything at the end of your file, belongs to your offstream class type. iOS in is used to open your file only for reading purpose. It belongs to fstream class. And out belongs to when all you want to open your file only for writing purpose, and it belongs to offstream class. So in your exam, when all the question comes to explain your file modes, these 3 things you have to cover. You have to first write the mode or the method of file opening, then meaning, what it means, and to which stream type or to which stream class it belongs, that you have to write it, and then you have to write the extras. Done? So the next one we had is iOS ATE. Next we have is iOS ATE, that is, it will help you to open your file for updation and move the file pointer to the end of your file. When all you want to update your file and bring your cursor at the end of your file, means you had entered the data already and something new or changes you want to do it. That time we can go for this iOS ATE, and it belongs to iOS ATE. It belongs to if stream and off stream both. It belongs to both if stream and off stream. In the last class I had given only one, that is only if stream I had mentioned, but it comes in both if stream and off stream. Both it is possible. Fine. Then the next one we have is iOS binary. iOS binary. So when all you want to open your binary file, these in, out, ATE, app, these all are help you to work with your text files. When all you want to open your text file, that time we use these all the mode or the methods of your file opening. But particularly when you want to open your binary file, that time we use this mode or the method, that is iOS binary. Done? And this belongs to, in the last class I told you that this belongs to only if stream, but it belongs to both if stream and off stream. It belongs to both if stream class and off stream class. So remember your two mode or the methods of file opening, that is ATE and binary. These two belongs to both if stream and off stream. Both if stream and off stream. That little change you made it in your notes. Fine. The next one comes is iOS no replace. iOS no replace. So this method of opening your file will help you to turn down opening if the file already exists. If the file already exists, means you are trying to create a new file or you are trying to open already opened file. That time this mode or the method of file opening will automatically help you to turn down the opening. Means already you had opened that file, no need to open one more time. That error or the bugging is not required, just automatically it will turn down. Then that time we use this no replace. If you are confused, it has been existing or not, or it has been opened or not. So if you will not check it and directly you try to open one more time, then you may get errors, or maybe 2 times opening the same file is not possible. That time your system get hangs. So what operation you want to perform, that will not be taken place. So to overcome with these all the problems, what we do is we better use this mode of the opening your file, that is iOS no replace. And this mode or the method of file opening belongs to off stream class. It belongs to your off stream class. Done? And the last two are iOS no create and iOS trunk. So let me take the first, iOS no create. So this method of your opening file will turn down opening if the file does not exist. Means what happens is you are not created any such type of the file, and even though you are trying to open. For example, there is a file called as result student and information. Okay, you want to open a result file. You want to open your result file, but you are naming it as result 1, 2, 3. The file name is actually result and you are trying to open result 1, 2, 3. Such file is not existing. You are not created any files named with the result 1, 2, 3. So that time if you use this iOS no create, then it will automatically close that filing without any error. Just it will tell you that it will not exist. There is no any such file exist. So it is trying to shut down. So you will not get any warnings or the errors. Only one message will be displayed for you all. Done. So it will just reduces the misbehavior of your system by using this. So when all you are trying to open any file which has been not created only, then that time this function will help you to close. And this method of opening your file belongs to offstream class. It will belongs to offstream class. Similarly, the last file mode or the method of your opening file is trunk. We have is trunk. So what is the use of this file is on opening or delete the content of your file. When you want to open your file and you want to delete some content from that. You want to delete some file, but opening means after opening only you want to delete some content. Then that time we can use this mode or the method of your file opening, that is iOS trunk. Done. And it also belongs to your offstream class. It also belongs to your offstream class. So these all are the different file modes or the methods of opening. For what purpose you want to open, based on that we can use the different methods or the file modes. You have to remember each mode name, the meaning, and to which stream class it belongs. That all things you have to remember. Just remember binary and your 8 both belongs to if stream and off stream, and others belongs to only one. No replace, no create and trunk, all the three belongs to your off stream. Then out belongs to off stream, app belongs to off stream, and in belongs to if stream. Means you just prepare yourself that iOS in only a single file belongs to your if stream. 8 and binary belongs to both if stream and off stream. Other all the file modes belongs to only off stream. That method you can remember if you want to have any shortcuts. Done. So this was what we had covered in the previous sessions. Just do a little bit change. In the previous class I told you about this 8 and binary belongs to only one single stream classes. But these 8 and binary belongs to both if stream and off stream classes. Fine. So these are all the things which we have to cover in your opening files. So in your opening files what we had covered is there are totally two different methods of your opening your file. One is using your constructors and another one is using your open member function. So both using your constructors and your open member, using your open member function, we can open your file for only input purpose, only output purpose, and only input and output purpose. So that means that you can use your off stream class, if stream class, and f stream class. So we know that input means if stream class, output means off stream class, and if you want to open your file both for input and output operations, then you can use your class, that is stream class, is your f stream class. Then after this we had seen the different file modes in which we can open your file, that is app, in, out, 8, binary, no replace, no create, and trunk. So this question has been already many times has been asked in your exam for 3 marks. So remember those. In that file modes, the main important point you have to remember is in, out, and app. These 3 modes you have to remember. Then the others you can remember, no problems. But first these 3 things you have to write, then the extras you can go for it. So you have to first remember the file mode, then the meaning, and then you have to write your stream type. Then you may get 2 marks question or 3 marks question. There is the difference between your if stream class and off stream class. Fine. So that thing also you can write it. And after opening your file, we have to study about your closing your file. The next point we'll study is closing file. So once you have to open your file, we must and should close the file, because we cannot keep the file open every time. Done. So when we had studied how to open your file using your different stream class objects, then we must and should close also. Okay. So we had learned that opening a file establishes the linkage between a stream object and an operating system file. When all you want to, or when all you try to open your file, it will create the linkage between your stream object, that is the object which we are creating using your ifstream class, offstream class and fstream class, and between your operating system file, means which file you are trying to open. After the intended operations are done with the file, means which all the operations you want to perform on your file, if you are done with that, then the file should be safely saved on your secondary storages for later retrieval. Means if you want to perform later any other works, means if you want to open your file later for again input output purpose, or further in future for anything, we can use that file. For that, what you have to do is we have to save the file in your secondary storage. So why we are storing the file in secondary storage, why not in your primary storage? The thing you know, because anything you save in your primary is only for temporary, and anything you want to use it for a longer period of time in the future, then we must and should store it in your secondary storages. Done? So this storing or closing after your work done with your opening file, we must and should close your file, and this done using your member function close. We have to use the member function. When you want to close a file, we have to use a member function called as close. As we have the open member function to open your file, similarly we have close member function to close the file. Then, so this function on its execution, when you execute this function, that is the close member function, it removes the linkage between the file and the stream object. Means when you execute your open function, it creates the intermediate, or it creates the link between your object of which stream you are creating, if stream object or off stream object or fstream object, that object and your file. That link has been created using your open member function. But when you execute, when compiler gets through your close function, automatically that linkage has been removed. Automatically that linkage has been removed. Fine. So how we can use this close function, that all we had seen. So let me give you the syntax. We don't have any complications, just the syntax is there, smaller syntax. That method you have to use it. So what syntax is? The first you have to use the object which you had created of your stream class. So stream object, and then the dot and close function ended with semicolon. So which stream class object you had created, off stream, if stream or your fstream, that object you have to use it, dot and the close member function you have to use it for closing. So just remember, open is to open your file. It will create the link between your object of stream class and your file which is there in your OS, operating system, and close will remove that linkage. You may get 2 marks question. What is the difference between open function and close function? Just remember, open is used to open your file, close is used to close your file. When you execute the open function, it will create the linkage between your stream object and the file of your operating system. And when we execute the close, it will remove the linkage between your file and your stream object. And the difference, one more difference, you can give the syntax and the example. Like this, 4 differences you can write for your open and close. You may get a question for 2 marks or 3 marks. Fine. So this is the syntax for your close member function. Using your close member function, how you can close a file. Stream object, the object which you have created for your opening a file, that object you have to use it. Then the dot and then the member function, close member function, you have to use it. Pair of parentheses and ended with the semicolon. Done. So now we'll see the examples. So the first example, I'll use both the object of your off-stream class and if-stream class. So for our off-stream class, we had created object like fout. So I use the object fout dot close. The file will be closed. Then when we had created the object of ifstream class, we had created like fin. then dot close, the file will be closed. So these are the two examples which you can write for closing a file. None? So the syntax is stream object dot close a pair of parentheses ended with semicolon, and the examples are fout dot close and fin dot close. Fine. So this is about how you can close your file. Next we'll study about the another different point, that is input and output operations on your text file. Input and output operations on your text files. So this question is important for 3 marks. Let me give you the title: input and output operations in text file. Input and output operations in text files. So this is important for 3 marks. The question you will get it in your exam for 3 marks. So we all know that a text file consists of a group of ASCII values. So when we are dealing with the meaning of different types of your files, that time we had studied that there are totally 2 types of the files are there, that is text file and the binary files. So text file is nothing but the collection or the group of ASCII values, and the binary files is nothing but it contains the data exactly how it is stored in your memory storage. In a memory, how we store the data, in the same way it is stored in your binary files. So we all know that the text file consists of a group of your ASCII values. The data in your text file are organized into lines with new line character as terminator. So your text file, each line will end with your EOL, that is a terminator, delimiter will be there, or else the EOL, end of the file, will be there. So this text files needs the following types of the character input and output or operations. So when all you want to perform the character input and output functions, means you are dealing with only one single character, then that time we can perform the operations. So which all the operations we can perform, that is character input output operations on your text file is, one is put function and another one is get function. One is put function and the second one is get function. These both are relating to character input output operations. Input output operations. So there are different input output operations for your string. First we'll study about your character input output operations. So there are totally 3 functions we have: put and get functions. So first one we'll study about your put function. You have to write put in lowercase, don't forget that. Okay. So here the put member function belongs to the class offstream. It belongs to your offstream class, remember. In exams you will get it, this question for 3 marks. So remember everything relating to those, because only few points we have relating to this. So you have to cover everything. So yeah, put function is a character operation and it belongs to your offstream class. It belongs to your offstream class. So what purpose we use this put function? It will help you to write a single character to the associated string. It will help you to write, means to insert or to add a single character to the associated stream, means of which object you had created. In that stream it will be added. In that stream it will be added. So writes single character, writes single character to the associated to the associated stream. So these two things you have to remember relating to your put function. The first thing is put function belongs to your off-stream class, and the second one is put function will help you to write a single character. Note down a single character, not a group of character. If you say group of character, then it will not be a character input-output operation. It will be a string input-output operation. Fine? That thing you have to remember. So it will help you to write a single character to your associated stream. Associated stream means it is associated, it belongs to your off-stream. Done? So when you create the object of your off-stream, it puts that value, a single character which you want to enter into your off-stream class. Done? So we'll see the syntax, how we can work with this put function. Then I'll give you the example. So the syntax comes in this way. Off-stream object dot put function name, and in parenthesis a character which you want to pass, that you have to write it, ended with semicolon. So this is the syntax you have to remember with your put function. This is the syntax you have to remember with your put function. So what is the syntax relating to your put function? Off-stream object dot function put ch ended with your semicolon. Off-stream object, because it belongs to off-stream class, so compulsory you have to create the object of your off-stream class, and then the put is your function name, and ch is an argument where you have to enter a single character. It may be anything between your A to Z. It may be anything between your A to Z. So ch is a character constant, we can call it as, or else we can also call it as char variable. Done? So this function will help you to write onto your file represented by your off-stream objects. Means with your off-stream object belongs to or refers to which file. In that file, this particular character will be stored. Done? So I'll give you an example. How this put function is used to write your single character into your file relating to your associated stream, that we'll see. Okay. So the example, char ch is equals to A. Char ch is equals to A. What I am doing, we are passing the argument as ch. Okay. So that ch I had initialized as A. It's your choice. You can anything initialize between A to Z. Then next, off-stream fout. I had created object of off-stream class as fout, and file I am opening is text.txt, means text file. .txt means a text file. Done? Now we'll store this A into this text file because fout is opened and related with this text file. Fine. So I can write now fout dot put ch. So ch we are putting into this text file. What is ch? Ch means A. So A we are storing, or A we are adding in your text file. We are adding in your text file. Done? So it will help you to write the character stored in ch, that is A, onto your file represented by your object of fout, that is your text.txt. So simply understand, there is a variable ch belongs to char data type and it is initialized with A, means ch is equals to A. In ch A is stored. Now we had created an object fout of stream class off-stream, and it is referring to the file text.txt. It is referring to the file text.txt. Now using the same object fout.put, means using the same object fout, we are using put function, means we are trying to write a single character. What is that single character? Ch. So ch we are putting into fout relating to which file? Text file. Indirectly fout is relating to text. So what is there in ch? A. So A is directly stored in your text file. Done? So like this we use this put function when all we want to write a single character into your particular file or into your stream. Done? So remember, put function belongs to your off-stream class. It will help you to write a single character to the associated stream. The syntax is off-stream object dot put function name in parenthesis ch an argument. Example, first initialize that ch with any variable, create an object of off-stream class and refer to any file, and using the same object use this put function and try to pass this ch, and what value is initialized to ch, that will be indirectly passed. Fine. This is about your put function. Now we'll see about get function. The second one is get function. So the second function is your get function. So this get member function belongs to the class ifstream. Your put function belongs to the class offstream, where your get function belongs to the class ifstream. It belongs to the class ifstream. This function will help you to read a single character from an associated stream. Your put function will help you to write a single character. It will help you to write a single character with the associated stream class, where your get function will help you to read a single character with the associated file. Done? So when all you want to read a single character, that time we use this get function, and when all we want to write a single character, that time we use the put function. So we'll write the features. Get function belongs to your ifstream class, and it will help you to read single character from the associated class. From the associated class, that is the stream class. Done? So remember the difference between put function and the get function. What is the main difference between your put function and the get function is the put function belongs to off-stream class, the get function belongs to if-stream class, and your put function will help you to write a single character to your associated stream, and it will help you to read a single character from the associated stream. Now we'll see the syntax for your get function. So the syntax comes as it belongs to ifstream class. Ifstream object you have to create, then dot get ch. The same thing is there, just we are input, we are creating the object of offstream, here we are creating the object of ifstream. Done? So here ch is same character constant. This get function will help you to read the ch from the file belongs to which your ifstream object is referring. Done? So we'll see the example. Same example I'll take. Char ch is equals to b. So we'll take a because a already we are writing. Okay? Ifstream dot fin text dot txt fin dot get ch. This is the example you have to remember with your get function. So here it will help you to read a character into a variable ch, the current byte position from the file represented by the object fin, that is text file. Means using your put function, a is stored in your txt. Now using the position of ch, which is through your get function with the object ifstream fin, it refers to text file, right? So in text file, where this ch is there, a is there, that we try to read it. Done? So these are the two input output functions relating to a character. The character input output functions, that is put function and get function. Fine. So in the today's class, I had covered 2 points. One is how to close your file using your close member function, and another one is input output operations relating to a character, that is character input output operation, that is put function and get function. Done? So in the next class, we'll see the string input output operations and the other input output operations relating to your binary files. That all things we'll see in the next class. So if you have any doubts relating to the today's points, let me know. I'll clarify your doubts. So other things we'll see in the next class. Thank you.